So welcome back to REV Atlanta. We're here with the Aston Martin DBX, which came in for our Carbon X triple layer coating. Cool thing about Carbon X is the ability to layer it. And that's how we achieve that rock chip resistance. 3 layers on the full vehicle is what will give you maximum protection, maximum hydrophobicity.
All right, this is Carbon X by Revivify. This is their top self-healing ceramic coating. It's a carbon-based coating. It gives you extra hydrophobic nature. It gives you extra protection against the elements, any kind of acidic rain, any kind of chemicals you're gonna come across. This is gonna protect better than any other ceramic coating out there.
Some people may ask why this coating in particular over classic PPF. Well, there's a couple reasons. One, after we apply this coating, there's zero maintenance. You do not have to come back to our shop for us to pop any bubbles, trim, or do anything after the car has been delivered back to you. Second reason is there's no edges here. So anybody that wants to truly showcase the gloss factor in their paint and not hinder that by putting any kind of material over it can actually apply 3 layers of Revivify, have some rock chip protection, and maximize that gloss factor when it comes to the paint.
It'll still have that self-healing capability on top. Every layer gives even more of that, heals itself over and over and over again in the heat of the sun. My favorite thing about it is over PPF that it really has more of a gloss, more depth. It makes your car look wet when it's dry. That's what all of our customers tell us why they think this is better than any other car they've had coated with anything else. They come back for this.
We try to stay ahead of the game as far as what the next thing is going to be as far as coatings go and as far as a product go for our customers' vehicles. I tracked that down through a friend of mine that had put it on a couple of clients' cars, and all I kept hearing was good stuff about it. So I reached out to Revivify and got with Mel Craig over there at Revivify. He was able to get us signed up as a premier shop. You cannot just walk into Walmart or order that off a line. You got to be a premier shop. We are the only premier shop here in Atlanta. So this car came in basically for a 2-stage paint correction. Like I said, for 3 layers of Revivify, man. It wants the most rock chip protection they can get without using PPF. So that's what we've got here. And Bosco. So I got a little bit of familiarity with these vehicles. I did work for a few years down at Motor Cars of Atlanta, and Aston Martin is definitely one of the brands that they house in-house down there. It's a very particular client that comes in and asks to buy an Aston Martin. It comes with a certain level of prestige. These cars are very unassuming. You know, you look at this car and you may not understand that this car is $380,000. So yeah, it's a pleasure working on them. Big fan of AMG, who is now doing the motor work with them. For those of you that don't know, Aston Martin, the hood latch is actually on the passenger side of the car. So we'll step right here and unrelease that. These cars used to open this way. For whatever reason, this one now opens traditionally. And there's that big, beautiful V8.